Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Rough Country Low Profile Hard Trifold tonneau cover fitting your 15 to 20 F-150s with a 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed. This is perfect for the F-150 owner who's looking for the security of a hardcover and wants one of the most low-profile options available. This hard trifold tonneau cover features a low-profile design with a quick clamp locking system that locks down in every position, offering you the most versatility. This tonneau is constructed from durable and lightweight aluminum panels with a heavy-duty 6061 aluminum frame and features a black powder coat finish. This tonneau protects your bed from the elements as well as would-be thieves, locking with your tailgate for added security. So as far as price goes, this tonneau comes in at around $650, putting it about middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you're getting the security of a hardcover with a low-profile appearance and the versatility of several locking positions. All right, so to operate this tonneau cover, go ahead and drop your tailgate. Next up, you're gonna pull on this black cord to release this back panel. Lift it up. Since this next one locks as well, you're gonna pull the cord again to release this panel. And once it's folded all the way back, clip each of the clips in place to secure it. To fold it back out, make sure you unbuckle each side and start to fold it out one panel at a time. Now it does lock in this position, and if you want to operate it like that, you definitely can. But you can also fold it all the way out and lock it back here as well. Then go ahead and shut your tailgate. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct clamp-on installation that can be done in about 10 minutes. So with that said, let's hop into our install. For this install, we used an impact gun, but a ratchet will work just fine. You will also need a 13mm socket, and you may want a trim panel removal tool. All right, so the first step in our install is to get these rails installed on the sides of the bed. Before we can do that, we want to install the drain tubes right at the top of each rail. Go ahead and line these up and push them into place. Once the drain tubes are installed, go ahead and line up the rail with the side of your bed. Make sure it's all the way back up against the front of your bed. What we're gonna do is hold it in place and install the first clamp. We're gonna shoot for the center area. It's actually labeled on the rail itself. It'll say clamp, and there should be a plastic piece which actually does move. Line that up. Once the plastic piece is in place, grab your clamp, open it all the way up, and then you're gonna slide this part over top of the plastic piece, and the part with the ridges will go on the inside of your bed. While holding your rail and clamp in place, grab a 13mm socket and tighten it down. Repeat that process on the frontmost clamping point. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten it down. And finally, the rearmost clamping point. Again, all these points will be labeled, and you want to go right over top of this plastic piece. Next up, we're going to route our drain tube. Now you can put this wherever you'd like to route it on your truck, as long as it drains down and out of the bed. What we're going to do here is remove this plastic piece. If you don't want to remove it completely, you can just cut a little bit out of the opening. And then route our drain tube down and out the bed. All right, now we're gonna repeat all of those steps with the passenger side rail. All right, at this point we can place the cover on top of the rails. You may want a friend for this step to help you line it up. And now we can fold it out and clamp it down. All right, at this point we're gonna clamp the cover to the rail. Grab the included clamps and slide the top bolt part through this opening. Next up, we're gonna grab the edge of the rail with this opening on the clamp itself. Just go straight over towards the rail. Line it up and then tighten it down. Repeat that process with the second clamp. Repeat that process on the other side with both clamps. All right, at this point we can fold our cover out. Make sure you release the clips on both sides. Start to fold it out one section at a time. This section does clamp down, so make sure it's clamped on the rails. And then fold out your last section. Then you can close your tailgate. And that is gonna do it for the review and install of this tonneau cover. And remember, for all things F-150, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.